of 60 where she says, I was skeptical at first, nervous actually. I've never done anything like this, but it's kind of exhilarating, just, you know, the idea of it. And I think all of those characters have that sentiment of like, this fantasy about what something is that is not tangible, but they haven't like, maybe they've encountered, but they haven't really experienced before, and they kind of project like their idea of like what a ghost is, or like what connecting to the other side is, or like what sex is, like what I am to you. You know what I mean? Like this mythical or mystical kind of like hypnotic experience, and it's just like that very human quality of like pure childish like exhilaration.
Hi, my name is Matt. I am the director for Scared Shitless. It's a story about two con men
who are scamming people into believing that their homes are haunted. Each of the con men fall in love with a different girl. One of the women is a psychic, and the other woman, well, she has something interesting about herself as well.
It's a comedy, but it also deals with something a little bit more serious. Things that we're really scared of, that we don't talk about, that we barely admit to ourselves, and what happens when those fears are really confronted by irrefutable evidence that they're silly. And we get to see what happens.
Hi, I'm Ryan Simpson, and I am playing Justin Elms.
We're lying, Beth. We're lying to you. We're liars. Liars who know how to lie, so we lie.
Hello, my name is Ryan Lemke, and I play Cal.
It means you're dealing with squatters.
Squatters?
Squatters.
Hi, my name is Lana Smithner, and I'm playing Maura Applewood in Scared Shitless.
And mysterious. This is like the Bermuda Triangle or something. The Twilight Zone. I'm freaking you out, aren't I?
Hi, I'm Pat Christensen. I play Beverly Johnson.
I don't believe this stuff, but there's something I found. 10 years ago, there was a murder in the house.
Hello, my name is Caro Servat, and I play the role of Zanilla. Sex sends that antimatter on a collision course with itself, and eventually, as most women do, but on a much more intense and higher level, I experience big pain.
As you notice, to my left, your right, there are actually some prizes listed for donating. Every penny you donate is going to go straight to helping us produce this amazing piece and making it into the wonderful work of art we know it can be. So thank you for your contribution. Thank you for your contribution. Good. Glad I caught that.
Thank you. Awesome.
You're looking good.
We should edit that out.
Yeah, this has to be to the reference.
Let's try this. Take a couple mix here.
Okay.
So here we go. 1, 2, 3.
I blink.
Yes, you did.
Yeah. Sorry.
Good.
Signing off.